Are you looking for more space, excellent location, and a quick commute to downtown? Our 4-bedroom condo townhome today ticks all those boxes. Stick around to see why it might be the perfect place for you. So I'm at 4634 Cosmic Place today in Pineview. It's our newest listing and it stands out for a few reasons. First of all, you've got 4 full bedrooms and an attached garage in a condo townhome. That's rare to see. Second of all, you are just steps away from the LRT, patios, shopping, and Pineview Golf Course. And third, you have very reasonable condo fees and you've got a well-managed condo corp. Before we take you through the rest of the home, Kareem's going to show you a little bit more about the neighborhood.
If you're a commuter, you'll love this location. Cosmic Place is tucked away in a quiet corner of Pineview. If you take the LRT, you're just 5 minutes away from Blair. If you drive, you're 2 minutes away from the 417. For families, it's the kind of neighborhood that just makes life easier. You've got great schools nearby like Gloucester High and École des Pins, plus parks and green space within walking distance. Weekends are easy to fill, whether it's swimming at Splash Wave Pool, checking out the Aviation Museum, or grabbing groceries at Gloucester Centre. There's also a branch of the Ottawa Public Library and several community centres close by, giving you lots of options for kids' activities and learning opportunities. It's a peaceful area with mature trees, quiet streets, and everything you need close to home. That's what makes Pineview a hidden gem for families and professionals alike.
.4634 Cosmic Place was built in 1974 and features 1,570 square feet above grade with an additional 260 in the basement. This is a true 4-bedroom townhome, which is a very rare find. On the main floors, you'll find a beautiful and bright living room with hardwood floors, a full dining room, and an eat-in kitchen. Fresh paint, new vinyl flooring on the upper floors, and new doors and handles throughout mean that this home is move-in ready.
As a condo townhouse, you get the use of this private patio. You also have full maintenance of the lawn by the condo board, which makes it so much easier to maintain.
What I love most is how functional this layout is with 4 bedrooms. Whether you work from home, have a growing family, or need space for your hobbies, this home has the space.
This is a smart purchase with many updates like newer flooring, central AC, and a finished rec room. Visit nickvaness.ca to see the pre-list home inspection, floor plans, 3D tour, and more.
Do you want to see this one in person? Reach out and we'll help you book your private tour. If you know someone else who would fall in love with Cosmic Place, we will be happy to help them make their best move in Pineview and beyond. Have them connect with us and we'll be sure to help.
We'll be happy to help.
Should we get the shot of my children? Yeah, in the outtakes, there we go.
I said that twice. Let's redo.
Or let's the kids. My bad.